There's more than 1,000 penguins on Penguin Island, but they're not the only birds to call it home. And that's got Tash and Mads in a flat.
This is my worst nightmare. There are seagulls everywhere.
Mad's biggest phobia is birds.
No, they're disgusting. I friggin' hate, you know how much I hate birds.
I know.
Don't. They're swooping each other. I just want to see a penguin. I don't want to see any more seagulls.
I think gulls are a bit maligned. You know, they're actually quite beautiful birds.
There are some people who hate birds.
Yeah.
Who would not like it here at all.
Ornithophobes? This is actually really nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
You know what I feel like? I feel like we're in an Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. They're supposed to be penguins. Yeah, I was expecting these.
Oh, there's a dead one. A dead fox. There. Oh, shit. Honestly, we're going to get swooped.
It was Attack of the Seagulls. Whose idea was it to come in? There were no penguins whatsoever.
We nearly killed ourselves to get to Penguin Island. We hadn't seen one penguin.